Hi my Baldy followers, the Baldy Vlogger here. I'm going to do a daytime drive. I'm going to go from Charing Cross area to... Why did you let me out first? To Thornliebank. Yeah, during the day. I'm just waiting for this guy to let me out first. Might have been a lot easier. Never mind. Anyway, but you can't actually go the normal way. I can't take her right up here because of the roadwork. You see these roadworks? They're putting in a cycle lane here. Up to now, I think they've took about a year. And look, still not done. So. Oh, there's the workers down here. Oh, everything just takes forever to do around here. The two workers, from the looks of it, I'm not actually sure if they're working. But yeah. Which way shall I go? I don't know which way to go. Everywhere's shut off. I can go up onto Great Western Road around onto Woodlands Road. My sat nav is telling me to go away. It's been shut for ages. I don't know why that's not updated. Right, try and cross the traffic this way. Go up here. So you can't do a U-turn down here. Back onto the road I need to be on. There's no U-turn here. Boss never even got out to let me out. Yeah, there's no U-turn here, so I've got to go up and round, or I could just actually stop and turn around now. Yeah, let's just stop. It's a flipping nightmare here. Let's just stop. Let's just turn around now. Once this mini's gone, let's turn around because I need to go the other way because I don't know how busy the Woodlands Road's going to be. So let's go back. You can't do a U-turn down here, but you can turn around up there a little bit. I need to get on the motorway. On the M77. Van just came out of a... I don't know if you saw that van on my left there. I think that's a one way, the opposite direction. He just came out and went the wrong way up the street as well. Oh. I've only been driving like 2 minutes and idiots everywhere. Alright, let's get on the motorway. What time are we at? It's 5 to 4. Rush hour will be starting. We have a rush 4 hours because of the way the roads are around here. So you see it's busy on the other side already. Hopefully it's not too bad going on. Worse than rush hour, I guess. It's I think it's Tuesday the 8th. Not sure because my last video I said it was the wrong day. I think I said Tuesday and it was a Monday. It's definitely Tuesday. Tuesday 8th of July. 3 o'clock in, just coming up to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I can, but I'm not sure if you can with that phone, because his phone's a bit more to my left and in the corner. I can't see the picture on it. So that's it, just starting the traffic really. It was going to get a lot worse. They were okay this way. You know, up past Silverburn. So I was just out in the daytime because I was away for a massage at Beehive, George Road, is it? Beehive, Charing Cross, just next to the Q Club. Marta in there. She's Polish, she does a massage. I get a sore neck and back and everything doing this job. So I'll try and get there every fortnight. Oh, yeah. I do night shift, so I'm a bit tired coming up during the day for it. Yeah, the traffic's not too bad this way. An hour later, it'll be even half hour later maybe. Pretty busy, but this way it's okay. Oh, I need a drink. I don't mean alcoholic drink. Well, I could probably do one of them as well, but my orange lemonade. It's not lemonade, it's orange and tango, the best. You know, try to get half orange juice and half tango. Put it in an Oasis bottle, half and half. It's beautiful because tango is too tangy and orange juice is too juicy. So you put both together, it's amazing. Try it. Report back to me what you thought of it. Money back guarantee. I don't know who the guarantee's from. Yeah, you can't see it, but on the left is a golf course. I don't know the name of the golf course, but there's a golf course. Well, there's a maniac in a BMW going. I'm going. Well, it's 50 here, so I may not say what I'm going, but just about 50. So he must be going about 70 or 80. He was going, but he stopped behind the car up there anyway. He was going the speed limit, and he's not very happy. He won't be very happy. It's always the BMWs. Because the motorways in Glasgow, they're only 50 miles an hour. Right, but can't see it because of the trees. You've got Marks and Spencer's there, you've got City World, you've got Bowling Alley, you've got what do you call it? Arrods, but it's not Arrods, it's Arrods Beauty or something, HR Beauty I think they're calling it. Got that there, you've got Frankie and Benny's, you've got Z-Key or ZZ or whatever you call it. Yeah, you've got loads of stuff there. Decathlon, Tesco. I think the Decathlon is in the Tesco actually. Yeah, it is. You want your camping gear or that? Go to Silverburn. This video should be about 10-15 minutes. I thought it'd be longer because I thought I'd get stuck in traffic, but it's actually okay. Should be turning off in 300 yards. I should be turning off in 200 yards. I should be turning off in 100 yards. I am turning off. might turn right, so I might get stuck behind them, but I just got to risk it because of all the poles and the other side, which have been there for about 2 years. And these traffic lights, if you get them wrong, you can be 5 minutes of changing, but quite good today. We didn't get them okay. Alright, the Nixil service station, they've got Tesla chargers there, but they're owned by somebody else, so they're not Tesla charger prices. They're 65p a kilowatt instead of 31p a kilowatt. So they're not used to use them ones. Tannin Saloon, oh goodness me, I'm tired. Tannin Saloon over there, you know what, the tan. There's a massage place over there as well. Alpine, wherever that is, and balloons and stuff. The balloon shop. It's more than a balloon shop, but you know, you can get balloons there. Yeah, that's us nearly back. That was a jolly quick. The traffic lights are all good. The road was good. This makes a nice change. And I think it's Alford's down there to the left. Used to be McConaughey's, I think, but now it's Alford's. We've got David Lloyd to our left coming up. I think it's £120 a month for that one. Very nice in there. I've been in there when I was a member of a different one that used it, but you're not allowed to do that anymore because the other ones are cheaper. So it's not allowed anymore. It's beautiful in there. Used to love going there, but too expensive. So no more. That's it. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Tune in again for more amazing videos. Goodbye, the Baldy Vlogger.